The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Nevada CAE, beginning at 9:07 p.m. and ending at 11:07 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Nevada County Sheriff's Office. On June 7, 2024, at approximately 1133 hours, Maverick Brown was abducted from unincorporated Nevada County, California. Maverick Brown is a 3-year-old white male, 3 feet, weighing 40 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Maverick Brown is believed to be wearing a tan shirt and tan shorts. The suspect, Cia Marie Solaturo, is a 30-year-old white female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 135 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. Cia Marie Solaturo is believed to be wearing a black sports bra, white shirt, and blue jeans. The suspect was last seen on foot. If seen, call 911.
Approximately 11:33 hours, Maverick Brown was abducted from unincorporated Nevada County, California. Maverick Brown is a 3-year-old white male, 3 feet, weighing 40 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Maverick Brown is believed to be wearing a tan shirt and tan shorts. The suspect, Cia Marie Solaturo, is a 30-year-old white female, standing 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 135 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. Cia Marie Solaturo is believed to be wearing a black sports bra, white shirt, and blue jeans. The suspect was last seen on foot. If seen, call 911. Weather conditions at 6 p.m.